Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, June 22nd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, getting started here. We have a pretty good pop in the S&P 500 E-mini futures. Futures are up by 13 3/4 points to 27.66 1/4 per contract. So the market pretty much erasing a lot of yesterday's declines, but we'll see how today plays out. Again, it's a long session. Fridays have a tendency to be a lighter volume trading day, especially in the summertime. So we'll see how today plays out. Light volume generally favors the upside. Even yesterday, with a pretty good decline, we did not have a ton of volume out here. So again, we'll see what we get today, and we'll see how this market shakes out overall. All right, let's get started here. I want to talk about Red Hat. That's the first big stock in the news. They reported earnings. Stock is getting crushed today. Closed at $165.73. Now trading at $142.70. The only level I'm really seeing for this stock right off the bat is a little bit lower here. If you take a look at the daily chart, you have this 200 period moving average. That could be a pretty good area for short-term support for Red Hat if it gets down there. So we'll keep that area on the radar today at 138. Right now the stock again is trading at 142.60. So we're really not that far away if it does get there. I'll also have another mathematical level done for all the members. That'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room as well. All right, let's take a look at ticker symbol BB, which is Blackberry. They've changed their symbol quite a few times over the years. This stock is trading at $11.90, closed at $11.70. So I don't know if we can make too much out of it. Blackberry now, I don't think they make any more phones, or maybe they do, but I haven't seen one in quite a while. But they do have a lot of technology still under their belt. So again, the company is still going, but right now really not getting much of a move, and honestly I don't see much upside in the name either way from here. So we'll keep it on the radar today, but there's really nothing I'm looking to do with Blackberry. If it does come down and sells off, $10 level looks to be pretty good support. There could possibly be a play at that level. All right, let's take a look here at CarMax. KMX is the ticker symbol. Stock right now getting a good bid this morning. Closed at 71.05, now trading at 77.30. So this is a nice little uptick for CarMax. Stock is holding up very, very well in an uptrend. I do think it's a little overbought at these levels. So if you own it, trail the stop loss, and I think that's the best way to play it. If you don't own it, I would leave it alone up here at this point in time. Let's take a look at AN, which is AutoNation. Sometimes this will follow CarMax. Right now, this is not moving in the pre-market, but keep it on the radar. This could uptick a little bit from here. We'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings today. We have a lot of notable stocks out here with upgrades and downgrades. First one I want to talk about is KLA 10 Core, better known as CLAC. Stock right now is trading at 108.25, closed at 110.31. This is on the back of a downgrade. Stock is going to have is going to have very good support around the 106 level. So if it gets down to around 106, maybe even 105.75, right around there, there should be very good level for KLA 10 Core today if it gets there. So keep that on the radar. Nike is downgraded for a second day in a row. It was downgraded yesterday, downgraded again today. Right now the stock is trading at 73.58. I'm not seeing anything terrible here. Again, we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. All in all, though, second day in a row for Nike on the downgrade. Let's take a look here at Dollar General. DG is the ticker symbol here. DG, there we go. And right now, this is trading at $100. This is on the back of an upgrade, so nice little pop there. I think you're into a lot of resistance, though, on the daily chart. So again, look at that daily chart resistance point. Dollar General should be running up into that now, but that's a good little move there this morning. Again, it should be limited on the upside, though, so be a little bit careful. I love how these institutions upgrade stocks when they've just had, basically a 10-15 point bounce. Let's take a look at Micron. That was upgraded as well today. Micron right now trading at $60.12, closed at $59.44. I think Micron still has a lot of resistance all the way up to the 65 level. Then you want to take a look at United Rentals. URI is the ticker symbol there. This was upgraded as well today, trading at $156.30. 39. So United Rentals, nice little move there. We'll keep an eye on that one today once the opening bell rings. All right, let's shift gears here. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is down just 60 cents to $1,269.90 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, you'll see that's trading at 120.14. Again, just a touch higher than where it closed yesterday. We're not going to make too much out of it. Crude oil is in the news today. So you just had an OPEC meeting, and it looks like OPEC has agreed to increase output by 600,000 barrels a day. And it looks like the market likes that news. So again, crude oil up $1.50 today at $67.05. That is going to give a good lift to a lot of the energy plays out here. First, let's start with the USO. This is the way you track crude oil if you don't have an oil chart. And this is trading at $13.58, up from $13.31. Again, spot crude up $1.53 right now to $67.07 a barrel. Then if you look at the energy stocks out here today, ExxonMobil, that's got a nice little bid under it today. Chevron with a nice bid under it. ConocoPhillips also with a pretty good bid under it. So again, all of the energy stocks, the integrateds at least, are moving higher on this news. So we'll see how this all shakes out. But the market likes the OPEC news so far, and we'll see where we go. This is definitely part of the reason why we're getting a pretty good rally in the futures. All right, another solid day in the intraday stock chat room yesterday, and if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've really had a blockbuster 2018, and again, we'll try to keep it going really right into the end of this year. So with that being said, everybody, if you haven't done so, come on over, trade right alongside of us, and we will see you all on the charts. Have a great trading day.